and what we have is we have developed what we call the K team. It's really the knowledge team, and these are folks that have been with us for many years. Some of them have actually helped me found the company. Now we're looking to complement, in order to complement our online business, we're looking at developing a India Properties Associate Network on a national level, which is an offline service that we're developing to complement the online business, because real estate is a product that cannot be bought and sold on the internet. I mean, this is something I'm completely convinced about. We basically are going to leverage the internet for acquisition of inventory and acquisition of demand. Our offline team, which we're in the process of building with the India Properties Associate Network, would actually help us scale and will complement the online business. And clients and customers that come on indiaproperties.com can then leverage the offline services of this network to help them find their dream home. Home is something, they say roti, kapda, makan. I mean, makan is one of the most important things that any and every individual needs.
भारत लौटने के बाद उन्हें यहाँ के वातावरण में वापस ढलने में थोड़ा वक्त लगा, लेकिन फिर भी उनके मन में इस बात की तसल्ली थी कि वो अपने देश में थे। हर एनआरआई की तरह नरेश भी अपने बच्चों को अपने देश में बड़ा होता देखना चाहते थे।
India is not an easy country. When I was living in India, I lived here as a child, never lived here as an adult. And so having to come here and develop your own infrastructure, right from finding a doctor to finding a school to finding funding for your MSCB supply to trying to get telephone connections, gas connections. We were very fortunate that we had both our parents in the same town, so we would really use the infrastructure. We use the infrastructure of our parents. One of the reasons of coming back to India, which was driving us back also, was we wanted our kids to grow up their initial years to be in this country. I think that was very important for us, because we felt that if they didn't get that bonding in the beginning, it would be very hard to bring that bonding back. And I know for a fact that every Indian that has left this country, has gone abroad, has wanted to come back or wanted to bring their child back.
नरेश के अनुसार यूएस और इंडिया के वर्किंग कल्चर में बहुत अंतर है। जहां एक ओर भारत में लोग काम से मन चुराते हैं, वहीं दूसरी ओर यूएस में लोग अपने काम के प्रति समर्पित हैं। इनका मानना है कि देश की युवा पीढ़ी को सफलता के लिए शॉर्टकट्स का सहारा नहीं लेना चाहिए।
I don't know of other countries, but as far as America goes, I know one thing for a fact, and that is that when an employee joins you, he's dedicated to you, he is committed to you, and when they come in 9 to 5, they really mean 9 to 5. They very rarely would skew away or start having fun and all that. The productivity of an average American is I would say, much greater than the productivity rate of an average Indian. As far as the Indian part goes, unfortunately, I think the successes that we've had with some of our people that we've had for a long time is, I find that there is still a good work culture in the generation, in my generation maybe, but the new generation, I see some real holes. I see some real issues. My personal advice to a lot of the young, bright, smart Indians is integrity. You gotta have integrity, and you gotta build credibility one at a time. Trying to get rich overnight, there are no shortcuts in life. You have to be willing to pay your dues.
नरेश के अनुसार भारत में आज बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं, बस जरूरत है कि सरकार लोगों का साथ दे। आज कई एनआरआईज हैं जो भारत आने की चाह रखते हैं, लेकिन जहां इस देश में इतना सब कुछ है, वहीं लैक ऑफ सिविक सेंस, एजुकेशन और इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर नरेश को काफी परेशान करता है।
I think today when I have to sit back and look at what are the good things of India and what are the bad things of India, I would say there are many, many, many good things. But there is one thing that just keeps bothering me all the time, and that is a basic civic sense lack of mass education, I still believe that 40% of the illiterate population in India need to be educated. They need to get education because that's the only way you can bring civic sense into society. The other thing that I really would like to see is develop is the infrastructure. Infrastructure in India is way behind global norms. That's one segment that really worries me. I know of many companies, the only thing that's stopping them from coming to India is lack of good infrastructure. India is my motherland. United States is my adopted land, but India continues to be my motherland. It will always continue to be my motherland. It's interesting, in the monsoons, the first showers, the smell that you get of the dirt reminds you of home, and that's India for me.
नरेश के परिजन कहते हैं कि भारत में उनकी जड़ें इतनी मजबूत हैं कि उनका भारत लौटना